WinOMS, Getting Started with Payment Manager. By the end of this class, you should be able to process payments, void or refund payments, and generate the daily transactions report. Before you can use the WinOMS Payment Manager service, you must be enrolled and have your account and card devices set up. Contact a Carestream Dental representative for more information. Through our continued partnership with Global Payments Integrated, Payment Manager brings payments into the future with more options, newer machines, and greater flexibility. The WinOMS Payment Manager credit card swipers are chip-enabled and work with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, and Diners Club International credit cards, as well as Google Pay, Apple Pay, and EMV technology. Processing payments. Before using Payment Manager, you will need at least one credit card payment code and refund code. You can add or review payment codes under Tables, Payment Adjustment Codes. To enter a payment, click the Payment Adjustment icon from the patient's record. In the Payment Adjustment Code field, select the appropriate credit card payment code and press the Tab key. Credit card is automatically populated in the Method field, and the credit card field displays using Payment Manager. Enter the amount being charged and click Next. On the Take Payment window, ensure the correct device is selected. Next, select the payment method. In our example, we will select Swipe, Insert, Tap Card. However, if the card is not present, you can select to manually enter the credit card information. If a previous card was used, you can select to use it. At this time, swipe, insert, or tap the card being used for payment. Click Submit. After the payment is processed, an approved message will appear on the device and a completed message appears on the screen. Click Finished and you are prompted to print a receipt. If Yes is selected, the receipt opens and can be saved, printed, or emailed as a PDF file. Voiding and refunding payments. If you need to void a payment, you can do so if it has not already been settled. Debit card transactions are settled immediately. To void a transaction, from the patient's ledger, right-click the payment to void and select Delete. Review the undue payment information and click Submit. After the completed message appears, click Finished and you are prompted to print a receipt. Next, we will look at issuing a refund. A refund can be issued even if the transaction has been settled, but you cannot refund more than the dollar amount of the original payment. To issue a refund, click the Payment Adjustment icon from the patient's record and enter the code for a credit card refund. Enter the amount to be refunded and select the previous payment that the refund is for. Click Next. Review the undue payment information and click Submit. After the completed message appears, click Finished and you are prompted to print a receipt. Accessing the Daily Transactions Report. You can review any Payment Manager transactions on the Daily Transactions Report. To generate the report, go to Billing, Payment Manager, Print Daily Transactions Report. Enter a date range and click OK. The report provides the date of the payment, authorization code, transaction number, if the card was present, card information, and the authorization amount. Totals for the merchant are also available.